In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make money doing what you love. And the first thing that you can do is find out what you love for sure. What is that one thing that you love doing day in and day out? What is that one thing that you are interested in and you don't mind learning more about it or getting more information about it? It can be your passion or your hobbies. For example, I'm passionate about fashion. I love selling outfits in different ways, and you can monetize that through offering selling services to other people. If you don't know what you love, you can ask your family members or your friends to give you a list of the things that they know you for. This way, you can go through the list and find out what excites you the most. The second thing that you need to do is think about the value you want to add to the society. What is that problem that you want to solve? And who do you want to add value to? You also need to consider how you will solve these problems. For example, as I said, I'm interested in fashion, and in my industry, the scarcity of plus size clothes. One way that I can solve this scarcity is by producing dresses for plus size women. Another example is maybe you're into skincare. You can provide tips or best products that one can use if they have combination and sensitive skin. You need to remember that making money is about providing value and solving a problem. The third thing that you need to do is figure out your value delivery. Do you want to provide services or create goods? Providing services involves you using your time in maybe one-on-one coaching or creating courses or any other digital product to sell or add value to other people. While creating goods involves production or manufacturing of those goods, and it usually involves inventory of these goods. The fourth thing that you need to do is research and start small. You need to ask yourself, what equipment do you need so that you can start this business? How much will you charge this product or service? And who is your competition? And how will you stand out from the competition? These days, it is easy to do research. For example, if you're selling goods, you can go to a page on Instagram who are selling similar goods and see what prices they have put on their products. If it's creating a YouTube channel like I'm doing, you need to research on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to record yourself, how to edit, maybe how to create thumbnails. And there's free information in the internet nowadays. There's YouTube, you can do your research on Google. If you want to sell certain goods, maybe fitness equipment, you can go research what's the cost of this certain thing. Google will give you the products that are available maybe on Amazon or eBay, and they'll give you an estimation of the prices. And with that, you are able to estimate what price you're going to put on your goods. You can start with marketing and then small gigs for your family members and friends. If you do a great job, people will ask them about it and they'll be able to recommend you to other people. You can also do a poll maybe on your socials and ask people what kind of content they would like to see. The fifth thing that you need to do is make a plan. Get organized and lay out a business plan. You cannot just wake up and say, yeah, I'm starting this today without any plan. You need to create a plan so that you can know, I want to do this and this and that, and this is how I'm going to market, and this is how I'm going to deliver my services to people, and this is how I'm going to produce my goods. If you want to succeed in whatever venture you get into, you need to plan. Plan, and plan. The sixth thing that you need to do is invest your time and your money. You can invest your time by gaining skills and more knowledge and mastering your art. You can do this through reading books or reading articles or even watching YouTube channels. Don't be afraid to invest your money by signing up to a master class or doing a course or even buying equipment that you need. When you start earning, you can reinvest this money to your business. A bonus point, never underestimate the importance of your digital presence. That's it for today. Please do subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.